Today we're going to be doing an unboxing video for a new drone that I just got. In fact, my first one, the TSRC Q8. From the reviews I read, it's a nice and reliable little model, reasonably priced, and looked like it was great for the beginner. So let's dive into it and see what we have. Comes packaged, nicely packaged. Inside, as most of the drones I research do, excuse me, do as well, it comes inside a nice package, nicely packaged up, the carrying case. Carrying handle on top in case you want to carry it individually, but looks to be like perfect size to go into a backpack. So let's see what's inside. Open it up, and once again, nicely padded. Little packaging here. Take that out. And inside you see we have the drone, controller, and looks like the batteries, instructions, and cables here on the top. So let's get in here and see what it looks like. First off, let's get the drone out of here. And nice and compact. Whoops, there goes the battery. Looks like the battery just slides right in the back here. So we're going to do that. And I'm sure the battery's got to be charged. So that's the drone. So this, I believe, which actually was a great value, this thing comes with, unlike a lot of the others I looked at, this thing comes with 3 batteries, which I thought was pretty good, especially for the price. I mean, some of the higher price drones only came with 1 battery. So they said on the advertisement on Amazon that you can get up to 90 minutes flight time. You know, of course, that's with all the batteries. So that's what we have in here. 2 extra batteries, and they're very similar capacity. So we'll put those aside with the drone. And next we have the controller. And the controller, I believe, has the antennas mounted here on the bottom. You mount your phone here on the top, and I believe this thing has to be charged separately. Yeah, there's a USB-C charge port here. So we're going to set that aside. And in the top here, we have the manual. Silica gel, which everybody throws those right away. So when we have USB charging cables, of course you have to provide your own power supply. Then we have spare propellers and actually a small screwdriver to attach them just in case of any emergencies. The typical caution that you do have a battery here. So we're going to set those aside, and then the owner's manual. How to operate the drone. And I'm sure a lot of the details on charging and things like that. But all in all, from everything I read, this is supposed to be a decent little drone for the price. So just unfold it here, and I want to make sure I'm doing this right. a little scary the first time. So yeah, it just unfolds here. And this is what it looks like unfolded. Camera. And as I said earlier, the battery case here. I would do a flight video right now, but obviously it's going to need charging. So we will wait on that. And once I get it charged up and actually learn how to fly it, then I'll make a flight video on test and stuff like that. Okay. Thank you for watching, and that's it for the unboxing.